Something really caught my eye about this Bellroy Toiletry Kit Plus. It does cost a bit more, it's $79. I was always on the fence about whether I should get this kit or not. And just the interior contrast of the lining was just too eye-catching for me to pass. I decided, you know what, I can buy it, try it out, and if I don't like it, return it, right? And so happened, you can see this kit is still here with me. And I took it on a short business trip with me to Denver, Colorado, and tested it out. And from the use on this trip, I can share with you where I found this bag to stand out and also where this bag falls short. So if you're wondering whether this kit is for you, then please keep on watching. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm and my channel will thank you so much for it. So is the Bellroy Dopp Kit the perfect travel companion? Let's find out. So the one I have is the Toiletry Kit Plus Carryology Edition. It retails for $79, and I really love how this kit has a lovely contrasting interior, which really makes it fun, it makes it stand out. It also helps me find all the items that I need a little easier because of the contrast. You'll often find a lot of kits have dark or gray interiors, and that actually makes it harder to find things. Other features include a reverse coil coated zip, so you can see the zipper is in the back and is in the interior of the pouch. And the outside of the zipper is actually nice and smooth and also waterproof. An angled zipper, which actually helps the pouch stay open when you place it on your countertop like so. Also, the benefit of the angled zipper is it opens up really wide, so that's really convenient for you to access all the items you have in your pouch. You can see that this pouch comes with many compartments. There's these two wide ones in the back here. There's a nice wide compartment for you to put all your bottles and essentials. And then in this second compartment, you can see that there are these individual compartments that are actually sized accordingly so that you can fit smaller items such as your nail clipper, your chapstick. This lovely zippered compartment here that allows me to just keep all my loose items. Inside you'll see I have some samples from skincare companies that I like to keep with me because they're really convenient to travel with. And maybe I have some jewelry or some valuable pieces that I don't want to lose in this huge space that allows me to keep it all compact and safe within this zipper compartment. And one of my most favorite areas of this pouch is this magnetic closure. And here you can conveniently store a toothbrush or anything damp, something that you want to keep separate from your pouches. I've always had a pet peeve about having my toothbrush and the bristles being in contact with my toiletries. So this is a really easy, convenient way to make sure that this area is clean and sanitary and stored away from all your other items. The zipper is actually really snug, so it zips really smoothly, but it does have a bit of resistance. And then we have these really convenient made with leather loop pulls. There's actually a really nice print on the leather. It's really well designed. There is also a wording on the zipper pull. It says Carryology, and these loops actually make it really convenient for you to just hang on to your pouch like so. Or if you have limited counter space, this is also a great way for you to just hook this on the back of the door or in the bathroom. The material is water resistant, which is nice because you'll be, leaving this on a bathroom counter, and so it's likely to get splashes of water, and so it's, just make sure the things that you have inside stay nice and dry. The dimensions are listed here below, and this pouch comes with a 3-year warranty against any workmanship defects, which I find it's just a testament to its quality and that the company Bellroy stands by its products. So let me show you what I packed on my trip to Denver and what it can fit inside. So here's my toiletry kit fully packed, and you can see it's pretty hard to close. Like, I need to really stretch it. So let me just zip all this in, but it does close, but it's, it's kind of like mangled shape here, right? So let's see what I have inside, all right? So one thing is it can be bulky in your carry-on because you can see it's almost like a football. So just keep that in mind. When it's fully packed, it will take up some space in your carry-on or your check-in luggage. So let me open this up. So I think probably best is to show you what I've packed inside. I'll just take everything out so you can see. First things first, let's look in this main compartment here. I have my Anessa sunscreen, retainers. The thing is, this case is pretty bulky, so if I could find a smaller case, it may save some room. And then in this compartment, I also have my moisturizer. This is the one from SkinCeutical. It's the Triple Lipid Restore 242, and I really like this. It's really nourishing to my skin. And then I also have my dental floss. And so that's this compartment. And then here is my favorite part, the magnetic compartment where I put my toothbrush. So I have one of my toothbrush here. And then this zipper compartment comes in this nice stretchy mesh material. What I have in here are some samples of skincare. I have hand cream from L'Occitane and a Tatcha dewy serum sample, which is really useful for traveling. And then I have a eyeglass cleaning cloth. And then I also have some jewelry. So I have a bracelet that I might want to wear when I'm out from Marc Jacobs here, and also just a pair of hoop earrings that I can wear to accessorize. That's the zipper compartment. You can see it's actually pretty spacious, and because this mesh net kind of material, pretty stretchy. The only thing is it is a mesh net, so be careful, especially for earrings. I can see maybe my earring, you know, puncturing a hole in here and snagging it, so that might be something to be aware of. If you have any sharp objects, this may be at risk of being damaged. And then I have in this compartment much more containers. I have a container for my hand cream in here, or a 30-gram container. I could probably size down to make it like maybe 10, so that way I could definitely save more space. So I have my hand cream. I have like my makeup remover in here. I have some shampoo, which I just reused an Olaplex bottle for, but I just have my own personal shampoo in here. And again, if you could use one of those pouches or anything smaller just to save space. My lip mask by Laneige, I really recommend this one. It lasts forever and it really makes your lips really moisturize overnight. And then another cleanser, so I have a double cleansing system, which again takes a little more room in my pouch. And then I have my eye cream. This one's really cute. I love the container of this. It's by Tatcha. It's the Silk Peony. And yeah, this is a great eye balm. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it. And it has this really cute spatula here that you can remove to apply your eye cream. So this one. And then you'll see these two main compartments are now empty. And then I have this, in this divider section, there's some mesh pockets here. So what I have is a little container for my hair pomade. And of course, earplugs. You know, I can't sleep. I'm very sensitive to noise, especially in hotels. So I always bring earplugs to help me get some good night's sleep. And then in these really cute little compartments here, you can see they're just perfectly sized. I have a perfume spray bottle and also a sample size of the SkinCeutical hydrating B5 gel serum, which I also really like. It really hydrates the skin, especially in Colorado. It's a high altitude and it was so dry, and this really saved my skin. Hey baby. So that's these compartments emptied out. And then here, so that's these compartments emptied out. And now in this final area, I have, there are these two main pockets. And so I have hand cream. I really like L'Occitane's hand cream, so I always carry their hand cream. I have a SkinCeutical vitamin C serum, which I highly recommend for brightening and reducing sunspots. And then I just have, in this compartment, some toothpaste. And and then another SkinCeutical discoloration defense skin serum that I like to apply after using a cleanser. Alright, pros and cons. I like how this pouch allows you to compartmentalize all your items. There's different shapes and sizes for you to fit different containers, and just gives it a really nice snug fit so that the things don't fall out that easily. I also really enjoy the quality. You can really feel they're really made with high premium materials. So that is also a testament to maybe the durability and the quality of this design. And overall, the user experience is really premium. But I must say the orange lining is what really sold me about this kit. Bellroy actually offers other pouches in the slightly smaller size, but with this one being a little bit bigger and the contrasting color interior just made it so much easier for me to decide which one I wanted. Again, the best part of this pouch is the magnetic closure where you can actually store your toothbrush. And for me, that's a big plus because if I were to put it in my Bag Smart Toiletry kit, I would have to put it in one of these compartments with a toothbrush cover, which is another item to carry, and it's just not so compact. I also really appreciate the zipper compartment in the pouch. I find that that little attention to detail just makes the user experience so much more elevated, and the fact that I know there's a space in this pouch that allows me to really keep my smaller items and valuables in a safe spot just gives me that added peace of mind and improves the overall user experience. Okay, let's talk about some of the cons. First of all, this bag is not easy to open with just one hand. If I were on the phone and I wanted to take something out of the pouch, you can see the zipper is really snug and tight. It doesn't easily slide open, which could be also a benefit that your contents don't come out that easily. But to really open this bag, you really need to anchor it and open it with two hands like so. The other thing is this bag is supposedly wipe clean only. It doesn't really say anywhere whether I can throw this in the washing machine because, you know, contents in your toiletry kit does spill out, does cause a mess. And, you know, wiping clean may not really solve the issue, especially if they're like creams and lotions that are a little bit more oily. I think I will be putting this kit to the test at some point in time when I have an accident inside and throwing it into the washing machine. I think if you perhaps hand wash it or put it in a garment bag while you throw it in the machine, probably could work, but I would definitely not put this in the dryer. Just let it hang dry and we'll find out if it comes out still looking the same. Okay, the other thing is this pouch really for me is maybe the limit as to how small I can go for a 2 to 4 day trip. For me, I think the best way to gauge what I need to pack, whether I want to take my Bellroy Dopp Kit or my Bag Smart Toiletry Kit right here, which definitely allows so much more things to be packed, is whether I'm taking a luggage that is only carry-on or a luggage that I can check in. Obviously, if I'm going to check in a suitcase, then I will be using this kit because this just allows me to put in my larger bottles and things that are not TSA approved. So as you know, when you go through the airport, if you have carry-on luggage, it has to be within 100 milliliter size liquid bottles. And so this Bag Smart is going to be a check-in item for me versus if I'm only doing carry-on and I only have maybe a few days and I can manage with smaller toiletries, then I can use this one. The only thing is I'm a bit particular, and let me know if you're the same. I'm a bit particular about the toiletries I use, whether it's the soap, the body lotion, shampoo, conditioner, and so forth. And so I tend to want to bring my own things. And I know there are many travelers out there who are equally fine with using what's available at the hotel, which is amazing because that way you save so much more space and luggage weight. But for me, I do like to carry my own things. I have sensitive skin, I have some eczema, so I need to really just use the products that I know won't be irritating. So that's why I have to size down my toiletries and put them in here. And then I find that if I have this fully packed and stuff, it is a bit of a struggle. I need to sort of strategize where I put my items, but I can make it work. It's just I need to really squeeze in the items that I have. Let me know in the comments down below if you have this kit already and what your thoughts are, or whether you're thinking about getting this kit or not, or if there's another one that you have your eyes on. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're on the lookout for a new tote bag or a gym duffel bag, please check out my videos. I've done extensive reviews on bags designed by Air, which I also love and I highly recommend. Have a great day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.